Sit down, enjoy yourself, because you're going to watch the 2002 to 2004 Oldsmobile Bravada rear suspension install video. Bam! Safely raise and support the vehicle and remove the rear wheels to gain access to the air strut. Carefully and slowly puncture the airbag to release the air pressure. Don't go just jabbing it with any old thing and making it pop and then you got a bigger problem. Take your time, be safe about it. Cut the air line on the top of the strut and remove the air strut from the vehicle. Disconnect the lower and upper shock mounts and remove the shock. As you can see, the shock removal was pretty straightforward. So remove the new shock and coil spring from the Strutmasters box and get them ready to go in. Install the new shock at the top with the top shock bolt. So do the top bolt first. It makes it easier to swing it in to get it on the bottom for the rear. Install the new coil spring and fasten the lower and top shock mounts. Okay, at this point, here's what's going on. The spring is actually sitting in two indicators, two locators I should say, and they keep the spring from going anywhere along with the weight of the vehicle. So you attach the bottom shock mount last. That way everything is pushed up, everything is tight, and nothing's going anywhere because there's no movement now. Reinstall the rear wheel and put the vehicle on the ground. This concludes the mechanical portion of our installation. If there's electronics involved with your installation, seek your instructions. If not, call the guys at Strutmasters and they can walk you through it.